Hi everyone. In the previous video we have learned like operator along with the percentage symbol. Now in this video we'll learn how you can handle null values. Now first of all we need to understand what is null values. Now in our table we have a column called commission column. Now if you query the EMP table, select star from EMP, we have a column called commission column, right? In this commission column there are certain employees who are earning certain commissions like 300, 500, 1400. Certain employees are earning null as a commission and certain employees are earning 0 as a commission. So first of all we need to be clear that 0 is a number but null is not a number. So there's a difference between 0 and null. Null means nothing and 0 means that he's earning 0 as a commission, that is a number, right? So if you want to handle null values, there is a different way in SQL, right? So it's basically an empty slot. That is why we are calling it as a null. So you have to highlight this line over here in the PPT. We cannot say commission is equals to null. That is wrong. If I write the query like this, select star from EMP where commission is equals to null, right? This query will not work. It will not give you the output. Now to handle the null value, we have to say commission is null. So you have to use this keyword called is to handle the null values. That is the key takeaway in this video. Then we can say that where commission is null, we cannot say commission is equals to null, right? So this is what we are getting the null values in the output. So the question can be that I only wanted to see those people who are earning commission as null, right? So same question that we have run right now, find out the record for those people who are earning null as a commission. So we can say commission is null and these are the people who are earning commission as null. Now the next question is find out the record for those people who are earning commission as not null. That means whose commission is not null. So I can write the same query and just I'll add a not keyword to it. So I can say select star from EMP where commission is not null, right? Simply select the query and these are the people who are earning commission as not null. You can see we have 0 as well in the output. So 0 is not null, it's a number. So there is a difference between 0 and null value, right? Now we have one more column called manager column. Now if you run this query again, select star from EMP, you can see that in the manager column also we have a null value, right? So the question can be like this: I want to see those people whose manager or who do not have any manager, right? So I can simply copy this query and paste this query in your SQL developer and we can say that select star from EMP where manager is null. Where manager is null, right? So I can have that employee who do not have any manager. So I hope you understood the concept of null value. Thank you so much for watching.